Balota. Let's all give a warm round of applause for the cast and crew. Marilette Pusanta, Billy Esquilon, Bunso Panggola,
Walang kumatay last supper ng week.
Marvin Prinyes, Bernel Tigbao, Kay Clamor, Rocky Morilla, Leandro Lorenzo, Carl John Lee Garden, Stephen Kalimlim, Christian Zairo Makuto, Tags Francisco, Jonel Anapta, Ronaldo Makuto, John Paul Redoloza, Aldrin Anapta, Iro Francisco, Isha Dalabahan, Josam Dalman, Jackie Reyes, Robin Sardido, Alison Di Matulak, Christopher Pagirigan, Mar Laurente, Roylan Kasikin, Elvila Valle, Mitch Acuyo, Ada Sanchez, Ira Lusanta, Norvin De Los Santos, Angelo Collado, Angela Esquivel, Andre Esquivel, Lay, Shark, Nante, Fisco, Gwen Strahano, Ms. Annette Gozon Valdez, GMA Network Senior Vice President, Ms. Lilibet G. Rasonago, SVP Entertainment Group, GMA Network, Ms. Helen Rose Sese, AVP Entertainment Group, GMA Network, Ms. Nessa Valdelion, EVP, GMA Pictures, Mr. Aloy Adlawan, Creative Director, Mr. Arnel Macari, Program Manager, Post-Production Team, John Kenneth Paclibar, Kevin Embuscado, Melissa Plaza, Clarence Queen Lopez, Emerson Texon, Jacqueline Texon, Chuck Gutierrez, Baby Ruth Villarama, Alec Gaba, Nicole Rosacay, Timmy Idioma, Mike Idioma, Shen Sarabia, Joy De Vera, Mel Abuti, the cast of Balota, Marian Rivera, Will Ashley, Sasa, Esnier, Royce Cabrera, Rahil Biria, Sue Prado, Neil Daza, Donna Cariaga, Joel Saracho, May Paner, Carl Medina, Mahan Asuncion Danyala, Mike Danyala, Carlo Patrick, Jade Castro, Jet Lego, and the director, Kip Oebanga. And Nico Antonio.
Ano pong gagawin? Sure lang po. Una sa lahat, gusto kong pasalamatan yung lahat ng nanonood ng Balota at manonood ng Balota sa Cinemalaya. Lalo na yung mga nagmamarathon na lahat ng mga pelikula kasi ako personally proud ako sa batch namin. At yung mga pelikula na hindi ka libre at dapat panoorin. Very briefly, in the last election, na-assign ako to analyze digital content. And so nakita ko lahat ng mga trends kung paano mag-isip ang mga Pilipinong botante. And na-realize ko na yung circle natin of people na politically aware, na alam ang corruption sa eleksyon, na alam ang nangyayari sa Pilipinas, sobrang liit lang natin kumpara sa kabuuan ng Pilipinas. And so that changed the script of Balota and to hopefully something more accessible to the crowd outside our echo chamber. Sobrang hirap pong gawin nitong pelikulang to, so papasalamatan ko yung buong cast and crew headed by Ms. Marian. Pasalamat din ako sa GMA dahil kahit na mainstream studio sila, hindi nila pinakialaman yung script, hindi nila pinakialaman yung cut, narespeto nila yung voice ng director. Kahit na may kagat at may risk ang material na ito. Thank you rin sa kanila dahil ito ay isang parte lang ng isang mas malaking voter education campaign. At meron kaming pasabog around the time na magpa-filing of candidacy. So abangan nyo na lang po. Pero ang mensahe lang naman po namin simple lang, huwag tayong magkaroon ng diskurso sa eleksyon only during elections. That's too late. By then, we're so blinded by all the fun and all the craziness of the election, the horse race of the election season. Nothing's gonna change. So, sana po makatulong ang aming munting pelikula sa diskurso na ito. At sana mag-enjoy po kayo dahil ginawa naman namin talaga siya for the purpose of people enjoying and laughing about how broken the system is. Because historically, laughing at something is one of the best way to critique it. And so, thank you po sa pagpunta at panonood ng Balota.
May we request our filmmaker to stay on stage to receive their certificate of recognition. To present their certificate of recognition, we would like to call on the Artistic Director of the Cultural Center of the Philippines, Mr. Dennis N. Marasigan, and the President of Cinemalaya, Ms. Loris Guillen. The citation reads, "The Cultural Center of the Philippines and Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated presents this certificate of recognition to Keep Owebanda Director Balota, finalist full-length feature film given this 4th day of August at the Cinema 2 Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Macapagal Boulevard Corner, Asiana Avenue, Parañaque City. Signed, Dennis N. Marasigan, CCP Artistic Director, Chris Bimiliado, Cinemalaya 20 Festival Director, Carlos Sigyon Reyna, Cinemalaya Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Loris Guillen, Cinemalaya President, KC Tinga, CCP President, and Antonio Ocohuanco, Cinemalaya Foundation Chairman.
Good naman po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much.
Again, congratulations to the cast and crew of Balota.
Meron tayong H456.
Ano ko nakakahiya?